Okay, so this is going to be a figure 8 on a bite. For this, it's very simple. Create a loop like so. Bring it around, on top, behind, and back through, and pull. And that is your figure 8 on a bite. The way you can tell that this is a figure 8 on a bite is because this looks like an 8. If it looks like anything else, you've more than likely done an overhand knot, and that's incorrect. So a figure 8 on a bite is very good because it's very quick. If you imagine I've got a carabiner, I can clip it in and it's simple. However, if I want to tie it onto something solid, say like this leg, I can't. So what I need to do is I need to create a figure 8. And to do that, you get one end of your rope, you pinch it, bring it around, so you have this, and it looks like an 8. Bring it over and push it through that loop. Want to see that again, just replay the video. Wrap it around the object that you want to tie onto, and then very simply follow this rope back through your knot. To do that, you can see here, it comes through, it goes under there, so it goes under, it goes through there, and all you're doing is following your original figure 8.